Choosing the right niche is going to be essential when it comes to growing a successful YouTube channel. Now, what exactly is a niche? Well, a niche for your YouTube channel is going to be the topic that your videos revolve around. Now, if you were to hop onto my channel, you would see that all of my videos revolve around the same thing. They revolve around making money online. Now, let me tell you, the significance of choosing your niche for your channel is huge because it can determine how much money you are going to get out of your YouTube channel. And this happens because different niches attract different audiences, but also different advertisers. And this can lead to huge differences in how much money you are going to make overall. So when you're starting a YouTube channel, you need to sit down and think to yourself, what is my channel going to be about? It needs to be about something that is interesting to me, but something that is also going to pay me, if that is your goal with YouTube. So within this video, I want to explore some different high-paying niches because I want you guys to be making content and getting money back for all that hard work that you're doing. And by focusing on the right niche, you can build a target audience, which is something that is going to be very important with YouTube and making money with YouTube. But for your audience with your channel, you want all of these people to have a shared interest. Because chances are, if you watch my channel, you come to watch videos about making money online. Or let's say, for example, I love music and I love Sabrina Carpenter's music. I'm subscribed to her YouTube channel because I like to view her music. So with that being said, people just come to a channel for a specific reason, so you're going to want to deliver content that fits within that reason. Okay, so now let's bring up some terms that maybe some of you are familiar with. I sound like a teacher right now. Now let's bring up some terms that you may or may not have heard of before, but anyways, one of them is going to be an RPM and the other one is going to be a CPM. And these are going to be terms that you're going to want to be very familiar with if you have a YouTube channel. Now, what is an RPM or a CPM? Kind of sounds like C3PO? Is that his name from Star Wars? I don't know.
Did you hear that?
I still need to get on my Star Wars watching.
This is madness.
Now, an RPM is going to be a revenue per mil, and a CPM is going to be cost per mil. Okay, so now we know what they stand for, but what exactly do they mean? An RPM in the terms of YouTube is going to reflect how much money you make per 1,000 views on your channel. And then on the other hand, a CPM is going to indicate how much money an advertiser is willing to spend for 1,000 ad impressions on a video. So as you can see, these two terms are very closely related to one another. When you have a higher CPM rate, you usually are going to have a higher RPM rate. So kind of go together. And audience purchasing behavior is going to play a big role in what your CPM is going to be. For example, if you have a channel that revolves around technology, the CPM might be ranging from around $20 to $50. And this happens because of the high value advertisers that are placed upon these audiences. However, if you were to have a lifestyle or entertainment channel, your CPM is usually going to be lower, and we can see that being around $5 to $15. And this is just due to less targeted advertising opportunities. So understanding the difference between a higher CPM niche and a lower CPM niche is going to be crucial when you have a YouTube channel. Now, something that I find very interesting is my brother has a YouTube channel called Make Money Matt. Now, he does have some other faceless YouTube channels that have more subscribers than his Make Money Matt channel, but because of the certain niche that his Make Money Matt channel is, he makes more money with Make Money Matt rather than a higher subscriber count on a different niche platform. And he's even showed me this because I'm like, that doesn't make sense. If you're getting less views on this channel, but you're getting like more views on this channel, why are you making more money with the less views? And he explained to me it's all because of the niche. And he sat down and showed me the numbers on this, and I can tell you it's true if you trust me. And I'm just gonna give an example here. Niches such as health, finance, wealth, technology, and travel, these are going to be niches that we see have a higher RPM and CPM. And this is gonna be for a few different reasons. And the first reason would be there's just such a big audience that is seeking to watch this content and consume this content. And then having this big audience, these advertisers are going to want to put their ads on these videos because there are so many people willing to watch it. But also within this content, you can see a pattern of having a problem and solution. So it makes it easier for people to sell something within these niches. For example, again, with my brother's channel, Make Money Matt, he talks about how to make money online within his YouTube channel and how to make money with YouTube. So now that he has a target audience on YouTube talking about that, he decided to make a course talking about how to make money with YouTube. But given these two different factors, you're let in on a little bit of a secret here now. Now we know the secret of having a niche with a high RPM and a high CPM. So let's get into some specific niches that I want to touch base on that have very, very high RPMs and CPMs. And the first one that I'm going to talk about kind of surprised me. Took me by surprise a little bit. But this is going to be a niche that revolves around managing different projects. And this niche is going to present some huge financial benefits for creators. And this is going to be due to so many people want to learn how to manage their projects. And this would be a channel that is sort of an educational channel because it touches base on how to use different project managing tools. Now within a project management niche, you're going to be talking about, hence the name, managing different projects. And this can be through utilizing different tools such as Trello, Asana, or Monday.com. Now you could more so tie this niche to a business niche, which we are going to be talking about a little later on in this video. But I wanted to talk about the managing projects niche because of its unique opportunity to do affiliate marketing. Now these types of channels not only educate viewers, but they're able to bring in an audience that is very passionate about one thing, which is probably going to be starting a business in this case. Now the CPM within this niche is going to be around $8 to $20, and the unique opportunity within the advertising world in this niche is going to be pretty high because a lot of advertisers are wanting to get their tools out into the world and they want people to utilize their tools. So affiliate marketing would be a very strong suit within this niche. And not only could you make project management tool videos, but you could talk about how to put yourself in the business mindset, which is going to bring us on over to our second niche, and that is going to be an entrepreneur niche. And this niche would talk about how to run an online business, or more so how to create an online business and just inspire your viewers. And this is going to be such a thriving world within YouTube because so many people are coming to YouTube for resources. Now there are so many different online business models that somebody could start in order to make money for themselves, which is why this niche is a very big one. Key online business models such as dropshipping or affiliate marketing have gained immense popularity, and people come to YouTube to learn about these different topics. And this is where you could come in and make videos about these topics, or also make videos about maybe how to start a YouTube channel, or make a video about how to start a business, or how to get into the entrepreneurship mindset, which that is actually my major in college. So, entrepreneur. So maybe I should start a channel about that. And content that provides education to their viewers often get a lot of attention, which is going to lead to a higher CPM and a higher RPM. And the CPM could be ranging anywhere from $20 to even $40. And then additionally within this niche, different software companies and courses are going to play a big role in how you make your money because they offer tools and educational resources in how to succeed within the entrepreneurship mindset. For example, there is a platform that is known as Shopify, and within Shopify, you are able to create your own online business and you're able to sell stuff online. So if you're making a YouTube channel that revolves around being an entrepreneur, Shopify would be a great advertiser for your channel and you would be making money. And having this collaboration can enhance revenue opportunities, whether it be through sponsorships or affiliate marketing. And as the online business landscape starts to get bigger and bigger, more and more people are going to come to YouTube as a resource to learn how to create their own business, because who wouldn't want to work for themselves? And by researching different trends and staying on top of everything, I believe you can succeed within this niche. So if you're interested in anything to do with business or creating your own business or helping other people create your own business, I would say this is a very, very good niche to get into. And then you could also partner this niche with the niche that we talked about before, which is the project management niche. You could tie both of those together. And this niche is not only going to provide that financial reward, but you're also going to have that sense of helping other people as well, which is something that I find to be very important when it comes to creating a YouTube channel, because then you're more genuine. Moving on into our third niche, we are going to be talking about the technology and the software world. And this niche is going to be very, very lucrative due to the vast world of the software industry. I was looking for the word there, industry. Now, let's start out by saying many software companies operate on a subscription basis, meaning they offer a service and people will pay a monthly subscription for this service. Now, with that being said, this is going to create a strong incentive for advertisers to invest in promoting their softwares. And this is going to lead to a higher CPM within creators in this niche. For example, you could have a channel that revolves around the topic of software, but within this channel, you could create videos on software reviews or different tutorials on how to use different softwares. Now let me name off a few different high-paying software topics that you could create your channel about. The first one that I have would be cloud computing, and then I have cybersecurity. And within the software niche, you could also talk about productivity tools and how to use these different tools. And you could also talk about graphic design softwares. And the list goes beyond that, but those are just a few different topics that a lot of people come to YouTube to learn about. And these different topics are specifically good because they can attract viewers that are wanting to buy something and viewers that are ready to make a purchasing decision. So when you tap into this market, there is a huge market for it, and you tap into this whole world of making a lucrative income with advertisements on your videos, because a lot of people are going to want to advertise on a software niche or a technology niche. And when you focus on this niche, you can provide some valuable insights to your audience and maybe even redirect your traffic to a software that you have an affiliate link for. All right, now we're going to be moving into our fourth and final niche, and that is going to be the finance niche. And the finance niche is going to revolve around one common theme, and that is, this is two common themes. One common theme, and that is going to be the theme of money. And having a channel that revolves around money is very smart because a lot of people want one thing. Of course, they want more than one thing, but that one thing is going to be money. I mean, who wouldn't want more money unless you're Taylor Swift and you already have all the money in the world, right? But having a finance niche, you can appeal to people who are wanting to maybe grow their income or maybe invest their income or maybe budget their income even. Now, a big YouTuber that I found within the whole finance world is going to be a YouTuber that is known as Graham Stephan. And currently he has 4.84 million subscribers, and he talks about everything to do with money and finance. And I mean, his latest video that he just posted a few days ago as I'm filming this video, it says, Chase Bank Glitch, how to get infinite money. Infinite money. Infinite money. There you go, you guys. But then he says, don't do this, which is kind of intriguing, and I kind of want to save it to my watch later. And a successful finance YouTuber such as Graham Stephan has made 6 figures annually, which is crazy. Just by making finance videos, you could be making a doctor's salary. And these creators will often focus on finance topics that are very popular, whether it be literally just personal finance tips, or like Graham said, how to get infinite money, or investing in real estate, or talking about the stock market. Topics such as those are topics that are very popular, and these finance channels make videos on these topics. And all of these topics are going to attract a high CPM. And this can range anywhere from $25 to $50. And there is a very high value placed within this niche because a lot of people will come to these niches to make informed decisions. And again, there's going to be that pattern of having a problem and a solution, and people come to this YouTube channel for the solution for their problem. And by exploring topics such as budgeting strategies or investment strategies or stock market strategies, you could tap into this vast world of finance. And if you're an aspiring YouTuber and you're interested in finance, I would highly suggest choosing this niche. And not only does this niche offer a significant earning potential, but you have the potential to help people out as well. And with a right and genuine approach, you could really build yourself a name within this niche and help other people achieve their financial goals, which is a win-win, because then you're achieving your financial goals while helping other people achieve their financial goals, which love that. Okay, now that we've touched base on 4 different niches that are going to have high RPMs and high CPMs, I want to talk a little bit about how to succeed overall on YouTube. Now, having a YouTube channel is sort of like playing a game, because you're really going to have to play around with your views and your engagement rates. And first and foremost, I would like to say that choosing the correct keywords for your channel is very, very important, because keywords get your videos out to the right people. And another thing that is going to be essential is just identifying different trends within the niche that you have chosen. Now, let's say you go with a software niche and you see a lot of videos about the stock market. Those are doing very good, but then you see some videos talking about how to budget yourself, and those videos aren't doing as good. You should probably make some future videos about the stock market. Now, of course, that's not a real trend, so don't follow what I'm saying there. But when it comes to doing different keyword research, you could utilize tools such as vidIQ or Google Trends even. And these tools can just help you discover what viewers are searching for, so then you can make content based on what viewers are searching for. Now, in order to really stand out within the YouTube world, you're going to need to have compelling titles and descriptions and thumbnails for your videos, and also just have a good, valuable video. Now, one tool that is very helpful when it comes to creating YouTube content is going to be a newer tool that is known as TubeMagic. And it is a tool that I've been using for literally all of my videos recently. And with TubeMagic, I'm just really able to streamline my content creation process because it can not only help me write scripts, but it can also help me generate video titles for my scripts. It can also help me generate tags for my videos or make a description for my video that also incorporates keywords that are highly searched for. So if you're looking for a really helpful tool when it comes to creating content on YouTube, I would highly suggest that you check out TubeMagic because it's helped me a lot. And I'll make sure to link it below as well. Additionally, when you're running a YouTube channel, you're really going to need to understand your audience's needs. And what I mean here is just creating content that fits your target audience's interests. And let's say you're doing something such as affiliate marketing, and you have a software channel again. You're running a software channel and you're talking about all things to do with software and technology. Now, it wouldn't make sense if you take an affiliate link for a lipstick and then you promote this lipstick within your software content, because that just wouldn't make sense. Because if you're promoting this lipstick to a target audience that all of their interests revolve around the software niche, chances are they're not going to want to buy this lip gloss from you. And I'm just saying this because you want to know your audience's needs. You want to promote products that actually apply to them if you're doing affiliate marketing. And you want to produce videos that actually apply to this target audience. Now, in summary, just selecting the right niche is going to be very crucial when it comes to growing a successful YouTube channel. And throughout this video, we've discussed how your niche selection is going to directly impact how much money you are going to make. And high-paying niches such as finance or software or entrepreneurship and the online business niche, these are niches that are going to have that high RPM and a high CPM, and there are going to be so many opportunities within those niches to make money, which is why they are great niches to go with. Now, of course, if you choose one of these niches, it's not a given that your channel is just going to blow up out of the blue. You're going to need to implement a few strategies when it comes to running your YouTube channel, which is why I touched base a little bit about keywords and creating compelling titles and descriptions for your videos. Those are all very important. But if you're interested in starting a YouTube channel and you really don't know where to start, you might be thinking, Kayla, you talked about a few of these niches, but I don't exactly know how to make content within these niches, or I don't know how to make content in general. I don't know what I'm doing. Make sure to click on this video right here. There is a ton of value within it, and it just goes over how to create your YouTube channel. And don't worry, if there aren't any niches that I talked about today that sound interesting to you, there are more niches within this video. So make sure to check it out. You will get a ton of value from it. Just trust me. Just trust me. Make sure to click on it, and we'll see you guys there. Bye. Bye.